Hi, welcome to the channel. It's a nice sunny warm day. This is Sightless Living. I'm Anita. I'm standing outside working on my tan, but I came with something I wanted to mention.
Big bold text appears and reads, Sightless Living. Copyright symbol 2021-2024. Sightless Living. All rights reserved. Then disappears.
This is something I've had to do before. I had gone out the gate. There was an animal out there, so I was like, oh, let me slip back in, shut the gate, and run to safety. So what I did was shut it, came back in. I was going to the door. I found my key as I was walking and was able to put my key in the door real quick and go inside. Now, I don't think the animal ever paid me any mind, but I just wanted to mention, when you want to get inside in a hurry, I always keep my keys going in one direction. So either all the bottoms are here, or I turn it right side up and all the flats are there. And this is something I've been doing since I was sighted. I find it easier to find your key quickly. Then you can take the little rings and things like that and mark different keys. You can have like hoods on top of your key. This is some type of marker. I remember it's blue. And then there are rings to go around your keys, or shields. But there's things you can do to have your keys marked so only you know where things are. You can put separate rings on there, go into maybe a relative's house, or like mine is a storage facility because I'm waiting to move. Or you can have them all lined up on one ring. So here's another one going to someone else's house or storage facility or another building. You can just separate them to suit your purposes. If you have some remaining eyesight, you may wish to try different color keys when you have to get them cut, puffy paints, bump dots, nail polish, or keycaps. Keep in mind, these items mentioned, except for the keycaps and colored keys, do eventually rub off. Some people have farms and they may have 4 or 5 outbuildings, so they'll have maybe 4 or 5 rings with different keys, the different machines. Like I took my tractor when I was no longer able to see and drive it. I took that off, and the snow blower. There's different things that have keys, and you have to keep track of them all. And it's easier if they're all going in one direction. And just like job fobs and things like that, you can have a fob there with all the keys to the office building and just different things like that. So I find it much easier when all your keys are going in the same direction. So that's what I wanted to show you. And then some key rings have the little hooks. And if you get some of those handbags that have the little metal ring in the inside, that's what it's for you to hook your key rings to it. That's my quick tip for today. I thank you for joining me. If you like videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button, make a comment, share with your friends, family, and social media, and I'll check you out next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Rolling credits appear in big bold text scrolling upward from the bottom of the screen. Text reads, Anita, hostess/visionary, mountain stream video, TM symbol, videographer/editor. The rest of the text may be read in the description box below. Thanks for watching.